A 3-bedroom condo gives you the spaciousness of a townhouse with zero exterior maintenance. So you get to enjoy the space without the headache of managing a standalone unit. Awesome, right? Like, this is a 3-bedroom condo in Westlands, 170 square meters. Price 19.3 million Kenya shillings, and also have 172 square meter units going for 19.5 million. So if you are interested, or you're looking for a condo in Westlands, a 3-bedroom condo, talk to me and I'll definitely hook you up. Westlands is becoming a tongue twister. I don't know why. Anyway, it's because it's one of Nairobi's most desirable neighborhoods, because there are major offices, the shopping malls like Sarit, and the other one is Westgate. We have top restaurants, you know. So getting this 3-bedroom condo just puts you right in the center of everything. Talk to me.